There's the middle connection, and there's the tip of the spear. All right, let me show you guys what's going on. That's our dryer vent from the second floor, and it's completely clogged from the outside. I put that cover on a few years ago because a pigeon went in there. So pick your poison. I got it off. Yep. This is what we found. Let's see. Let's see what's living in here. Jesus. I'm so glad I saw that. It's so high up. I had no way of kind of hooking it, so I created these hooks. This is some two-sided tape that I put on. I'm surprised it worked this long, but oh my God. It's a big time hazard. I'm gonna clean it. It's actually gonna go back on. I just need to keep an eye on it. I'm not dealing with that again. I just need to buy myself some time with this little project.
All right, let's check it out.
Okay, this is the piece that goes over the vent. I hot glued these two PVCs, made that hook, but it's been impossible to get it up there and hooked on. It just kind of goes every which way. So that's what these PVCs are for. Alright, I've got this giant pipe. Got these two picks taped on here and rubber banded. So it's these hooks are gonna slide in, and then we'll try to get it up there. Alright, it's hard to see, but that cover's clipped on. Also, the flapper is in the down position. I got all the lint out. I just wanted to get that cover on so birds don't go in there while I hire somebody to actually clean it out.